Oh.
One eternity later.
Okay, that's better. So here we'll get into the Cosmic Lube, Lunar. Ooh, God. It's even lubey on the outside. So I got this. It looks pretty dope, actually. Let me just take a look inside. Why did you have to try all these proof these things? Okay. Yeah, looks good. Okay. Can't wait to try that. I'll put it off to the side. So have the weight, Speed Lube weight 1, I think. Have that, and we have this dispensing tip. Okay. And then we have the 9x9. The Mofang Jiaoshi 9x9. So I just wanted to get a 9x9 because why not expand your collection, right? So, okay, here we go. It's wrapped in plastic to protect you from COVID. Okay, it's interesting. I can tell it's not magnetic at all. It's a little bit tight. Okay, I would say it's a little bit tight, yeah. I would say let's put some of this in and see how it does. Oh, that is already feeling really fast. Oh god, that lube's overpowerful. It's too overpowered. Yeah, I think we're getting something there. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Oh wow. It's so fast now. At least it's looser. Okay. Can't wait to solve on this. Yeah. Okay, on to the next cube. Okay. Here we have this huge 3x3. Okay, this is bigger than I thought it would be. Oh, like you can't do finger tricks on this anymore. It's so weird. It's like your thumb will be here like on a regular 3x3, so you can't move it. It's so weird. Like you have to do full wrist turns. Wow, that's weird. Imagine doing a one-handed solve on this. That'd be insane. Yeah. Well, I'd say it works pretty good. Pretty cool if you ask me. Yeah. Wow, that's really cool. For a 3x3, that's like under $10. That's really cool. Okay, on to the next one, which is the GAN 251M. I've been wanting this for a long time now. Can't believe I get to unbox it right this minute. By the way, they trashed the box in the mail. Huh. Weird. Okay, but now it's time to get into the 2x2. got so much waste. Get it out of here. Okay, so we have a 2x2 in a massive box. I don't know why. Let's see, it goes like that. And here we have it wrapped in good old plastic. Okay. Ooh, that is fast. Okay, that is fast. Okay. Let's do a quick solve on it because 2x2's really fast. Huh. Yeah. Really fast, which I like. I have to use my weight 1 in this probably to slow it down. Okay, now take a look at the little adjustment system. We just have the nuts.
These nuts?
Yeah, okay, nothing special. I'll just open it up to see. So we have these, and I guess it goes inside the center. Yeah, okay, that's pretty cool. How many do we get? We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so if you lose one, you still have an extra one, just in case. Yeah, I'm probably gonna do a review on this. Ooh, look at that corner cutting. Wow, that is extraordinary. Wow. Okay, on to the Lego cube. It's taped. I got this for free because of the promo, so I said, why not? Oh, that is faster than I thought it would be. Ooh. That is fast. It doesn't corner cut very well, but when you get the right angle for it to corner cut, it's pretty fast. Okay. So now let's get into the Lego pieces. Fun fact, this is actually interactable and stackable with Lego, so have your own set at home. You could put little figures on here, and that would be really cool. I'm a big fan of Lego, so it's pretty good. Okay, it's finished. Right color scheme, yeah. Oh man. It's wider than most 3x3s, so I'm having a little trouble. Yeah, for a Lego custom built 3x3, that is pretty good, I'll say. Yeah, really good. Yeah, that's really cool. To be honest, that is massively cool. Now I gotta undo it. Yeah, pretty good cube. I would say, yeah, if you haven't got one, definitely get it before the promo ends. Then you can save $10 whole. Okay, so next is the MGC 4x4. I got the MGC 5x5 and 6x6 in my last video, and I absolutely loved it, so I now want the MGC 4x4 and 5x5. I don't have the 5x5 yet, but yeah, it's nice to take it slow. Oh. Why isn't it coming out? Okay, there we go. We have 4x4, and I already know what's in there, so we don't need to open it. Let's conserve some area and put that back in. So take this, and so much stuff. Holy! Wow, that is unbelievable. On a 4x4, that much corner cutting? Oh my! This is absolutely terrific. Wow. One thing I want to know is how back turns work. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. Yeah. The inner layers are definitely really strong, so I wouldn't necessarily do one-handed because it's hard. It's definitely hard. But yeah, really good cube. It's really good. Okay, I guess that does it for today's unboxing. I hope you enjoyed the video, and again, if you liked the video, please subscribe. It really helps me out, and it can get me to my Q&A, which I have something special planned for, so don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for all my upcoming videos. Okay, see ya!